오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook egg in hell. You know, so this our sundor is very much naughty because okay. Anyway, I will introduce ingredients. This 3 eggs and then ham and pizza cheese and onion, garlic and pasta sauce. And this is a name really interesting. Do you know? Egg in hell. Our sundor, because he is so much naughty. Do you know? So much naughty. But if you know, sundor wasn't here, and some friends ask where's a sundor? Do you know? Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I will start to cook. Put butter and we put the onion. The garlic. Ham. Amazing, this smell, very nice. Wow. So nice. Okay, we put this tomato sauce. Put pizza cheese. Amazing. Oh, oh. Yes. After 5 minutes, wow, surprise. Oh. Very surprised. Ooh. Ready? Fantastic. Wow, looks so fantastic. Wow. Whoa. Thank you.